Amid the feud within Nepal's ruling party, the president of the country has approved the dissolution of the Nepalese parliament. This was recommended in the emergency cabinet meeting that the Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli had summoned earlier today. According to sources, KP Sharma Oli has been reluctant to call the winter session of parliament because of allegations of incompetence that have been levelled on the government and amid fears of mid-term elections. The Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has been under intense pressure from the rival factions of the NCP led by former Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal, and the Madhav Nepal faction has been urging Oli to quit the post of Prime Minister amidst growing counter-accusations. KP Sharma Oli's handling of the virus crisis has been criticised, and Oli had come under pressure to either leave the premiership or the reins of the party. The next general election in Nepal is now scheduled in 2021. The first phase of polling will be held on the 30th of April and the second phase on the 10th of May. And our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, sent us this report. Take a look.
Sunday was a day of hectic political developments in Kathmandu as a major political crisis hit the country after the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli recommended for the dissolution of the parliament, something that was accepted by the president, and elections will now take place in the country in a few months, in April and in the month of May next year. And we know what is happening in Nepal. It is the big divide between the two co-chairs of the ruling Nepal Communist Party. Co-chair one, of course, is the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, who is now the interim Prime Minister, and Prachanda, who is the former Prime Minister. In fact, the party has now recommended action against the Nepali Prime Minister. And of course, we know hectic political developments are taking place in Nepal, given the fact that now elections have been announced. What will be the permutations and combination is something everyone will be closely watching. We know that the Nepali Congress and pro-monarchists are also in the fray now.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.